as per our schedule, voice change. Yeah? Come on, voice change. What is voice change? Voice. You know what is the meaning of voice? This is the voice. What you say, that is voice. We can express our view, we can express our sentence in two ways. Voice change is not divided in two parts. Really, in two ways. In two ways, we can express our voice. In two ways, we can express our voice. In two ways to express our voice. Two ways to express our voice. Our voice, our sentence, our feeling. Really, voice, don't think that voice that is come from your throat. Voice is sentence. Part is a noun, pronoun, this is part. Yeah, one is active voice, active. Another is passive. Another is passive. Do you understand? Active voice and passive voice. Students, do you understand? You please tell me. Yeah, you should always yes or no. You please tell me. Okay? If you don't say anything, I can't go forward. You yes sir, or no sir, you should express. Students, what is active voice? Do you know what is active voice? What is active voice? What is called active voice? Who will say? What is called active voice? What is active voice? Do you know?
When the object of the sentence is not.
Yeah, come on. You see, first of all, active voice, rule 1. Rule 1 follows tense, follows tense, follows the pattern of tense, follows the pattern of tense, follows the pattern of tense. The verb must be, the verb must be transitive. The verb must be transitive. Do you know transitive? Transitive verb. You give importance to जानना थी वो. You must have known or must not have known. You please get. Verb is divided into three parts. Really two. One is transitive. Another is intransitive. Transitive. Another is intransitive. Intransitive. Verb is divided into two parts according to the presence of object. According to the presence of object. Yeah. How do you know object? 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 When you ask what or whom what or whom before verb, okay, the answer is object. The answer is object. The answer is object. Bhatshar taught English today. Bhatshar taught English today. English. You taught, ask. Bhatshar कौन पढ़ेले? Bhatshar कौन पढ़ेले? English. So English is object. And this is transitive verb. This is transitive verb and this is object. Bhatshar taught us English. Bhatshar taught us English. Taught us English. Dushji, is it clearly? Okay, Bhatshar taught us English. Answer whom? Answer whom? Aj. What? What? English. So this transitive verb divided into three. Okay, one is monotransitive. This is mono. Mono बोले कौन? Having one object. Having one object. Having one object. जो वाक्य रे गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट रहिला ताकू कहबा हमें मोनो ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब. Okay, having two object. Is di-object. Mono, di. Another is cognitive object. Cognitive. What is cognitive? Sometimes object comes from the verb. You say, sometimes verb comes from the verb. English? Yeah, come on. Yes, mono, di, cognitive. What is cognitive object? He laughed a hearty laugh. Okay, intransitive to par देखुची मो जाचुआ पर करिया. ये transitive is cognitive. He laughed a hearty laugh. 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 This laugh comes from verb laugh. जितेबाला कर्मटा देखो, he laughed a hearty laugh. कौन हंसले? A hearty laugh. This laugh is derived from the verb. When the object is derived from the verb, that is called cognitive object. That is called cognitive object. Cognitive object cannot be passivized. Cannot be passivized. भला मन रख. आकु आमे पैसिव रे परिणत करि परिबा नाही. बुझि पले ठीक? So come on to second rule. Verb must be transitive. Verb must be transitive. Did you understand? ये come on, ये जो এটা हम करते तापर लिखे दिमु. वर्ब होची इंट्रांजिटिव का कहा जाए. इंट्रांजिटिव यार की प्रकृत रे नो ऑब्जेक्ट. इंट्रांजिटिव होची नो ऑब्जेक्ट. नो ऑब्जेक्ट. देखो, the birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. A fly is non intransitive verb. এটি তুমি অবজেক্ট পাইল কি? Did you get the object? পক্ষী আকাশে উড়িলা, পক্ষী মানে আকাশে উড়ন্তি। কোন উড়ন্তি? কোমানে উড়ন্তি? কোন প্রশ্ন পচারলে আমি পাইবা? কোন প্রশ্ন পচারলে আমি অবজেক্ট পাইবা? What and whom? সেটা তুমি ক্রিয়া পূର୍ବରୁ তুমি যদি what লগাইব, which লগাইলে উত্তর পড়ে আসলা, কিন্তু what লগাইলে উত্তর আসলা কি? whom লগাইলে উত্তর আসলা কি? No, you can't get the object from that sentence. So that is called, that verb is called intransitive. So verb must be transitive. That transitive verb should be, the verb having transitive verb is called active voice. Do you understand? Do you understand? Active voice का क्या है? Passive voice का क्या है? Did you write? লিখে দিবি? এত লিখে দিলি? তাহলে পরে দেখিব। বর্তমান তো বুঝিগল অবজেক্ট কাউ কুহযাଏ? অবজেক্ট কাউ কুহযাଏ? অবজেক্ট আমি দেখিলে বুঝিলে এটি অবজেক্ট। অবজেক্ট को আমি দেখিলে दैट इज ट्रांजिटिव एंड इंट्रांजिटिव। ऑब्जेक्ट को आधार करी, ऑब्जेक्ट को प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट को आधार करी वर्ब को दी भाग विभक्त करा गला। एक ट्रांजिटिव, दूसरा इंट्रांजिटिव। ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. Transitive verb is divided in 3 parts. One is monotransitive, दूसरा ditransitive, ditransitive, another is cognitive transitive. যারা গোটিয়ে অবজেক্ট থাকে তাকে বলা যায় monotransitive. যারা দুইটা অবজেক্ট থাকে, this is die, this is die. This sentence is ditransitive. This sentence is die. This sentence is mono. And that is another cognitive object that cannot be specified. When the object is derived, you see, he laughed a hearty laugh. Here laugh is derived, laugh is object. Here laugh is object. Here laugh is object. Here laugh is object, but it is derived from verb. Do you understand? When the object is derived from the verb is called cognitive object. That sentence cannot be passivized. बर्तमान में देखले एक्टिव वॉइस का क्या है? लिखे दिए तक shall I clean these ones? Okay. Now come on. So here the pattern is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, subject plus verb plus object. This is the active voice. Active voice must have follow the pattern of tense. Must be verb must be transitive. Subject verb object. What is called passive is very important. What is passive? Here, subject is given, the doer is given importance. The doer subject is given importance. Is given importance. Okay. Come on, passive. It has separate pattern. It has separate pattern. It has separate pattern. It has separate pattern. Verb always verb 3. Verb always verb 3. Object is given importance. Object is given importance. Object is given importance, not subject. Object is given importance, and by agent, I will tell you what is by agent. By agent, that means by plus doer. By or with. By plus with plus doer. That is called by agent. Doer, je कार्य करे. Here given importance to work. That is object. The by agent or by with doer is the primary, is the secondary, is secondary. Again I am telling, it has separate button, verb, always verb 3. 3. Object is given importance, by agent, by with doer is the secondary, is secondary. Hello? 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 है गला. Did you understand? By plus agent. Agent बोले कोटा गांची ना. Subject objective voice. Subject objective voice. Agent को ले बोला मन रखा. Subject objective voice. Subject of the active voice. केतेबले by plus agent केतेबले हुए जेतेबले ये people. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମଣିଷ ଥିବ ସେତେବେଳେ by ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯିବ. with plus thing or animal. by plus thing when a non-animated body, when a non-animated body, acts like animated body, likes body, dodge like animated body, dodge like animated body, at that time you may use by agent, you may use animator. You say hello students, any doubt?
Sir, fourth number with the second measure number.
Eta
Yes, sir.
by agent plus by with secondary, it is secondary. ये होची by agent आपको हमें secondary दिया जाए. ये primary होची object. Object is given primary importance. It is important, given importance primary. It is given primary importance. In passive voice, primary importance दिया जाए object को. देखो मैं कहूँ थी उड़े. Come on. by plus thing, when by thing पूर्व मध्य में by व्यवहार करि परिबा जेतेबेले inanimated body acts like animated body. के जेतेबेले computer though he is a thing but acts like a man. Robot that is a thing but it acts like a man. In that case by robot, by computer. Did you understand? Any question?
Sir, what is sentence right there?
ମୁଁ ବହୁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦେବି, ବହୁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦେବି, ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी, ବହୁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦେବି। ଗୋଟେ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦେବି, ବହୁତ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦେବି। তাহলে বুঝিপারল মোর প্রাইমেরি ভাষাটা বুঝ, सबुबले वर्बटा कौन हो, सबुबले पैसिव वॉइस रे गिव इंपोर्टेंस, पैसिव वॉइस रे वर्ब सबुबले वर्ब 3। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, एनी क्वेश्चन? ऑब्जेक्ट का कुआ बुझिल, ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का कुआ बुझिल,
Yes, sir.
डयर का बुझिल, डयर का बुझिल एवं ऑब्जेक्ट का बुझिल। इन एक्टिव वॉइस डयर इज गिवन इंपोर्टेंस, बट इन पैसिव ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन इंपोर्टेंस। बुझिपार ना? समय समय या हुए किए कार्य करिछि तुमको आज